Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukrainian Air Force destroys 57,000 aerial targets in April as missile and drone attacks maintain high intensity. The Ukrainian Air Force reported that it destroyed 57,000 aerial targets in April 2026, reflecting sustained pressure from Russian attacks. The figures indicate continued high-intensity combat activity in the air domain, involving both precision-guided missiles and large numbers of unmanned aerial systems. According to the statement, air defense forces intercepted a range of missile threats during the month. These included 69 Kh-101 cruise missiles, 7 Iskander-M, Kn, 23 ballistic missiles, 8 caliber cruise missiles, 4 Kh-59, 69 guided missiles and 5 Iskander-K cruise missiles. A significant proportion of the intercepted threats consisted of unmanned systems. Ukrainian forces destroyed 4,861 Shard family strike drones and 1,065 reconnaissance drones, along with 51,110 other unmanned aerial vehicles, most of them small multirotor platforms. The data also showed an increase in private sector involvement in air defense operations. In April, 24 additional companies of various ownership structures joined efforts across regions including Kharkiv, Odessa, Kiev and Zakarpattia. At the same time, the Ukrainian Air Force maintained active combat operations throughout the month. A total of 831 combat sorties were conducted, with more than 550 focused on airspace protection and defense of critical infrastructure. Around 200 additional sorties were carried out to strike enemy targets and provide close air support to Ukrainian ground forces. The figures underline the continued scale and intensity of both defensive and offensive air operations. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.